This is practice A for section 1.5. This is the back. We're going to try to do 25 through 27 on this video. They want you to find the values of x and y in this particular diagram. Okay, so we need to understand what our angle relationships are. I notice some angles that are linear pairs here, and I notice some angles that are linear pairs here, and I notice some vertical angles here. All of those are good to recognize. But the thing that's going to help you the most is being able to write an equation where you have one variable. This angle and this angle are a linear pair and they both have an x. So the angles, or the equation you want to write would be 16x plus 9x plus 5 equals 180. Combine your like terms. We have a 16x and a 9x. That gives you 25x. We're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So 25x equals 175. You want to get x by itself, so divide by 25. X is 7. So we did half of what they asked. We also have to find y, and you're not going to figure what y is until you plug the x value in. So this is 16 times x, and we know x is 7. So 16 times 7 gives you 112. 9 times 7, this is the other angle now, plus 5, gives you 68. Again, you should feel good there because they add up to 180. Now, I'm not sure if we talked about this in class or not, but these angles that are vertical right here, they're exactly the same. If this angle is 68, this one over here is going to be 68 because look, they share this angle as a linear pair. So that one has to be 68. So you can come over to the side. 4 times something gives you 68. What is it? 17. Okay, so that's basically how you do these problems. 26 and 27 are going to be basically the same thing. I'll set up the equations and then maybe you guys can solve them. We have a linear pair. We have vertical angles. Find the two that have the variable in common. 6x minus 11, 2x minus 9, that's a linear pair. So that means if you add them, it's going to add up to 180 for you. Now, if you solve this for x, you can plug it back in, and then you can figure out what y is. 27. Here are two angles that are a linear pair. Here's two angles that are also a linear pair. And then here's two angles that are vertical. Find the two that have the same variable. 9x plus 2, 10x plus 7. That's a linear pair. Together, they add up to 180. Okay, so maybe you can take some time and solve that on your own. I'll have the answer here for the next video.